Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money on this website. Okay, so basically what you're going to be doing on this website to make money is to click on emails. Okay, so after signing up on this website, you get to click on emails and they will pay you on every email you click on. Okay, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can sign up and you can get the emails, and now you can click on it to earn money. Okay, so let's just right here you can see I have up to 75 cents here. You can see right here I have 75 cents, and if you scroll down on this website you can see what they are showing you here. You can see right here, this is one email I read and I got paid for it. This is another one, this is another one, and this is one other one below. Okay, so with these emails right here I was able to make up to 75 cents, which is what you're seeing here. Okay, so you can actually withdraw this whenever you feel like withdrawing your money. Okay, so let me show you the examples of email you're going to be getting. But before then, if you're new on my channel, I will say you should hit on that subscribe button right now. Welcome to the channel. Hit on that subscribe button, because what I do on this channel is I make research online. I test out websites and apps, skills that can help you build up an online business, that can help you make money online. Okay, so if this sounds like something you're interested in, I'll say you should hit on that subscribe button right now, and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos on this website, on this channel, you're going to just get notified by YouTube, and you can watch and implement whatever I teach. Okay, so if you're beginning to like this video, if you're finding value in this video, I'll say you should hit the like button as well. Don't forget to hit the like button, or just encourage me by hitting that like button, and go to the comment section. Just comment, I want to make money online. Okay, drop that comment for me, so I'll get encouraged to make more videos for you guys. Okay, so right now I'm just going to go through my email, so I'll show you the type of email you're going to be receiving on this platform. Okay, so this is my email right here. You can see Volutic right here. You can see Volutic, you can see Volutic, you can see again Volutic. This is the name of the website. Okay, so once you click on any of this email you're going to be getting, there's a particular amount you're going to get paid, okay, for just clicking on it. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I won't be going through that process. So once you just click on it, you're going to see something like this. You're going to see a link right. You're going to see this link. So once you click on the link, you'll be redirected to a page where it's going to show you something like advert. Okay, so once you just do that, the money will be added to your dashboard immediately. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I'm not going to be doing that. So let me just take you through the sign up process, so you can just sign up and start making money for yourself immediately. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link of this website in the description of this video. Okay, so you can just click on the link and sign up. Okay, so you won't be going through the stress of typing in the website name before you can access the website. So I'll just drop the link in the description of this video, so just click on it, use it to sign up. Okay, so let me show you through the sign up process right now, so you can just sign up and start making money for yourself. Okay, I just want to keep this video very short so you can start making money immediately. Okay, so once you click on the link you're gonna see in the description of this video, this is where you're going to be directed to. Okay, the sign up process is very simple. Right here you're just going to put your username. So once you put a username, you're going to just go to the next slot. Right here you put your username, right here you put your email address, right here you just create a password. Make sure it is something you'll be able to remember. Okay, so right here you will type the same password you've put here already. Okay, so once you type in the password, here is going to just show my username, because it's going to be there already. Once you're using my link, automatically it's going to be there, so you don't have to look for a referral. Okay, so just use my link in the description of this video and you're going to get this fixed up already. Okay, so once you're done putting all this, you come right here, you tap on these three dots here. So once you tap on these three slots here, what you're going to get next is you're just going to click on register. Okay, so once you click on register, you'll be sent a code, a verification code on your email. Okay, so what you want to do is just click on that the code that is going to be sent to you, just copy it. And okay, let me just take you through the process. All right, I already have an account, so I'll just go back and I'll log in. Okay, so once you just click on once you finish the inputting of all your details, what you're going to do, this is exactly what is going to happen. Okay, they're going to send you a code on your email address. So let me just check my email address right now, and you're going to see the code they sent to me. So you're just going to copy the code and then paste it in the slot right there. So once you just paste it there, okay, you can see it here, login code. So you open it, you just long press, you copy, then go back to the website, you just paste it. Okay, so once you long press, you see paste, you paste it, then you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you're going to be directed back to the website. You can see it right here. This is my dashboard. This is, I still have my 75 cents here. So you guys should just make sure you follow these steps, go and watch this video, and make sure you watch it from beginning to the end. Follow the steps. And one thing about this website is every day you're going to be getting new emails. Every day, like new emails. There's no limit to any email you can get. Okay, you can get as much as possible. So just make sure you're clicking on the emails and you're making money. Okay, on each email you click on, you're going to make up to 0.15 cents. Okay, once you make up to 0.15 cents, so there are lots of email you can get, so you can be making a whole lot of money from this website. Okay, and actually you can withdraw your money whenever you like. You don't have to wait till month end or when okay, so just make sure you watch this and follow the steps. Okay, so right guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit on that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button and go on the comment section below, comment I want to make money online, and also hit that like button. Make sure you like this video. So I'll say thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay.